Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard wax beads at home. Start by gathering all your necessary items for a smooth waxing experience. You'll need hard wax beads, a reliable wax warmer, and several wax applicators. Don't forget to prepare your skin properly. Cleanse the area you plan to wax to remove any oils or lotions, then pat it completely dry. This preparation ensures the wax adheres effectively, giving you the best possible results. Now, let's get those wax beads melting. Carefully pour your hard wax beads into the wax warmer. Set the temperature to a medium heat setting. This allows the wax to melt gradually and evenly, preventing it from becoming too hot. Stir the wax every few minutes with an applicator stick until it achieves a smooth, honey-like consistency, perfect for application. Before applying, always test a small amount of wax on your inner wrist to ensure it's a comfortable temperature, not too hot. Using an applicator, spread a thick, even layer of wax onto your skin, moving in the direction your hair grows. Make sure to create a slightly thicker edge at the end of your strip. This will serve as a convenient tab for easy and clean removal. Once applied, let the wax cool and harden for approximately 30 seconds. When it's ready, hold your skin taut with one hand. With the other, quickly pull the wax strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth, keeping it close to the skin. Finish by applying a soothing post-wax oil or lotion to moisturize and calm your skin, reducing any redness or irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.